Categorical data gives a compact, often ordered way to represent labels. We'll cover memory efficiency, how to set ordering using the pandas.cat accessor to manage categories, and the performance benefits of doing so. Converting repeated string columns to categorical can dramatically cut memory, often tenfold for large datasets, for example 10 million rows with 4 unique values. Operations like group by, sort values, and value counts run faster because values are stored as integers and unique strings are kept once. Ordered categories allow comparisons such as size greater than small, and categoricals integrate directly with cut, qcut, and modeling tools. Convert a column to categorical with ace-type category, or create an ordered categorical with PD categorical by listing categories and setting ordered to true. The .cat accessor gives tools like categories, codes, ordered, set categories, rename categories, reorder categories, as ordered, and remove categories to inspect and manage labels and ordering. Ordered categoricals support direct comparisons and sorting by category order. With 10 million rows but only 4 unique values, using the categorical type /'s memory use, about 10 versus 760, and makes operations like value counts roughly 5 times faster. Convert a column to categorical when it has few unique values, you run repeated group by or sort operations, or the dataset is large. There is a small upfront conversion cost, but you get large recurring performance gains on later operations. Follow 6 repeatable steps for messy datasets. Inspect data with functions like df.info, df.isena, sum, and df.describe. Handle missing values using dropna or fillna with an appropriate strategy. Remove duplicates with duplicated and drop duplicates. Transform columns with map, replace, rename, or cut. Clean text using pandas string methods and regular expressions. And encode categorical features with getDummies or by converting to the category type, revisiting steps as you learn more. Most analysis time, about 80%, goes to data preparation, so learn Pandas' high-level tools to make tasks fast and repeatable. Choose missing value strategies carefully. Dropping, filling, and imputing each have trade-offs depending on context. Use the .tr accessor with regular expressions for powerful vectorized text cleaning. Convert large repeated value columns to the categorical D type to save memory and speed up operations. Finally, encode categories with getDummies or ordinal encoding before modeling.